Canary Capital is making waves by filing for an American-made crypto ETF. This innovative fund focuses on digital assets with deep U.S. roots. This ETF seeks to include cryptocurrencies created or primarily operated in the United States, reflecting domestic technological advancements. With the ETF symbol MRCA, Canary Capital plans to list shares on the CBOE BZX exchange, expanding access to innovative investments. Leading analysts are speculating which U.S. cryptocurrencies like XRP and Solana might make the ETF's inaugural list of assets. Unlock your investment potential with this new ETF and take advantage of exclusive trading bonuses. Click the link in our bio to register on BANGX and claim your free money.